front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Password, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!